Recipes can excite. Recipes can open your eyes. Today in my kitchen, that is exactly what I am doing. So stay tuned and see what I am cooking. A banana. Hey guys, new episode here. Today we are making bacon Brussels sprouts. So good, so delicious, and so flavorful. It is so easy to make. You're not going to want to miss this. So stay tuned and welcome to my kitchen. You will need, simply all you need is some salt and pepper, Brussels sprouts, oil. I'm using vegetable here, and bacon. Start by simply prepping some Brussels sprouts. I am going to keep mine whole and take the outer leaves off. Some people don't do that, but I do. And just check for the bad ones as you go along. And I will come back here after I have taken the outer leaves off and prepped everything. I am going to add my Brussels sprouts to my parchment-lined baking sheet now. And then we'll work on some bacon. Simply all I am doing is chopping the bacon into bite-sized pieces. And I will see you back here once I get that done, because bacon is always hard to cut. And now that I have all my bacon cut, I am simply just going to scatter it around the Brussels, making sure everyone gets a piece, because you want it to all taste like bacon essentially. And I'll show you what to do after I wash my hands. So to this, it is very, very easy from here on out. I am just going to dress this with a bit of oil and a little bit of salt and pepper. Or maybe just a bit of pepper because the bacon's salty enough. Never mind. I'll just do some pepper. And then I am going to toss this all together, and I'll show you what you need to do to bake it. Coming up next. Again, make sure to get all that bacon all around those Brussels. That we have our Brussels ready. We are going to preheat our oven to 350, and once that comes to temperature, we are going to bake them for about 45 minutes. And now that our oven's preheated, we are just going to toss them in there. And you can do this with the stuffing that I have on my other video. And you're going to bake them together for 45 minutes. Or if you're just doing the Brussels sprouts, you can do 45 minutes on their own. While our Brussels sprouts bake, can you please like, subscribe, comment, and share? I greatly appreciate those that do, because it greatly helps my channel. And have a great day. A banana. Thank you. Now that my Brussels are done, I am just going to take these out. They should look nice and golden and crispy, and that's how you know they're ready. The bacon looks amazing too. This is what the Brussels sprouts look like when they're done. You can tell they're nice and crispy, and that bacon got nice and crispy too. I am going to take a photo and have a taste test. Now that I have my photo, I am going to get a little bit of everything. I'm looking for a smaller one so it won't be as hot. And I'm going to blow on it to cool it down. It's very hot. The bacon gives it that nice salty flavor, so you don't have to worry about adding too much salt. If you like it really salty, I would add a bit more, but I like mine just the way it is. It is so delicious. If you don't like Brussels sprouts, you'll love them roasted. I highly recommend that you try this out. And until next time, a banana. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you next time. A banana.